light in the airless night, a mind that races where no space seems right. I'm breaking out, but where's the door? Time echoes loud on the empty floor. The world outside feels far and wide, while I'm locked inside with shadows I fight, flying back to my tears. I see myself running through the fields with the sun on my back and the dikes on fire. I'm heading south to the ones I love, and don't call me a liar. There was no need to stand alone, crawling walls, my silence screams, hearing whispers choked in dreams. Can't breathe in, can't break free. This trapped soul just yearns to flee. In my mind I seek the sea for open waves to carry me. Veins of panic pulsing from in the cell, my psyche's numb. Visions of an open sky, grasping at the thoughts that fly. Racing heart, the ticking clocks, boundless thoughts inside a box. Suffocating silence, no solace to be found. Shackled by this space, entangled in wound, I'm clawing for release to tear these walls around. Desperate for a breath where freedom's sound is crowned. The city's maze closes in, streets like a snare. Trapped in the torrent, gasping for air.